Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your screen brightness on Windows 11. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. There are two methods. You can either change screen brightness with quick settings or change screen brightness through Windows settings. Let's start with quick settings. First, click the quick settings button in your taskbar, which is a hidden button located where you see your Wi-Fi, speaker, and battery icons in the far right corner. When the quick settings menu pops up, locate the brightness slider, which is a sun icon beside it. Click or tap and drag the circle on the brightness slider to increase or decrease the brightness of your built-in display. In a nice touch, the sun icon grows larger or smaller depending on how bright you set the slider. When you have the slider how you like it, you can close the quick settings menu by clicking anywhere outside the menu or selecting the quick settings button in the taskbar again. That's it for the first method. Now let's discuss second method, how to change screen brightness in Windows settings. You can also change your built-in screen's brightness using Windows settings. First, launch settings by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard. When it opens, click System in the sidebar, then select Display. In System Display Settings, scroll down to the Brightness and Color section. Under Brightness, use the slider to raise or lower the brightness of your built-in display. When you're finished, close Settings. Whenever you need to adjust your brightness again, revisit Settings, then System, then Display, or use the Quick Settings menu. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.